Class 6. Your social studies, the land of hot deserts. This is the second part. We priorly discussed and initiated the lesson. Now for natural vegetation. The scanty rainfall does not support vegetation in the deserts. Rainfall is very rare and so vegetation also is rare. Vegetation is less and is scattered far apart. ছড়িয়ে ছিটিয়ে থাকে. Different varieties of cactus are found here. The roots of some cacti go deep underground in search of water. The leaves are reduced to thorns to prevent loss of water. In such a manner, the leaves of the cactus grow that they become hard. That is, they can preserve the water and to prevent water loss. The thick stems store water so that the plant can survive for long periods. The date palm grows around the oasis. Date palms. In the oasis, the date is a nutritious sweet fruit. Every part of the tree is useful. Baskets, mats are made out of the leaves and the wood of the date palm tree. Animal life. Due to the hostile climatic conditions and poor vegetation, animal life is very poor here. And what kinds of animals are there? Burrowing animals. Burrowing animals means the animals that live under the sand in the holes. গর্তের মধ্যে যে মারাত্মক প্রাণীগুলি বাস করে. Those are the burrowing animals, like the lizards, snakes, scorpions, and hedgehogs come out at night. In the rural regions of Saudi Arabia, people use camel for traveling and for carrying goods. The camel can survive without water for many days. It provides meat, milk, and skin and is the only means of transport in the desert. It is thus rightly called the sheep of the desert. Human life. People in the villages of Saudi Arabia live near the oasis because thereon they get water and vegetables, etc. Some of them are farmers and grow crops like wheat, barley, fruits and vegetables with the help of irrigation. সেচের সাহায্যে চাষ করে. Others rear herds of goats, sheep and camels. অন্যরা ছাগল, ভেড়া এবং উটের পাল প্রতিপালন করে. Rear. More about human life. People here are nomads and move from place to place. যাযাবর জীবনযাপন করে. In search of water and pastures for animals, they move from place to place. And because animals are with them, and for the animals grasses are required, and that is why they search for pastures. These nomads are called Bedouins, which means desert dwellers. Their dwelling houses are in the desert, but they shift from one place to other place. They can bear the extreme weather conditions of the desert. Life of Bedouins. The Bedouins live in tents and move from place to place in the caravans with their belongings. They eat dates, meat and other food grains. Today there are very few nomads left as most of them live a settled life due to the modernization of these desert regions. Nowadays, the number of nomad people reduced because of the modernization of this region. Their clothes attire. Men and women wear loose-fitting clothes which protect them from heat, cold, and sand. Men wear a long gown called thab, usually with a jacket or robe over it. Here is picture the people wearing thabs. The men also wear a head veil called gutra, which is held in place by a rope. This protects them from the heat of the sun. Women wear long robes called aba and cover their faces with veils. Here are some pictures. If you follow, you will understand the character of their dress. How the region developed. Saudi Arabia developed a great deal after discovery of oil in 1933. Oil field was discovered in 1933 and henceforth these regions developed a great deal. It is one of the richest countries in the world today. It has the largest reserves of oil in the world. Oil is called liquid gold or black gold. তরল সোনা বলে এই খনিজ তেলকে, as it is the source of money. Money earned from oil exports is used in building modern cities, schools, hospitals, hotels, industries, roads, and airports. Many people moved from the villages to the cities nowadays. They work in factories and in offices. In cities, many people wear western coats also that Saudi Arabia sets. As to how the planned and proper utilization of a natural resource, that is oil resource, can transform a barren land into a prosperous nation. কি করে একটা বন্ধা ভূমি একটা উন্নত জাতি ও একটা উন্নত দেশে পরিণত হতে পারে, সৌদি আরবিয়া is an excellent example. Riyadh, the capital, is a modern city with skyscrapers, gardens, markets, hospitals, and industries. Agriculture is being developed with the use of modern methods. The water is desalinated, that is removed salt. The sea water is removed salt to make it fit for use in homes and industries. Jeddah, a seaport, has been built for the pilgrims to travel to Makkah and Medina, two holy centers of the Muslims. Many people from other countries join to the workforce of Saudi Arabia. India exports fish, vegetables, meat, and textiles. In turn, India buys crude oil from Saudi Arabia. Here the lesson comes to an end. Now your assignment. From the contents of the second part of the lesson, collect the main information as you think and write down them. Display related pictures. Go through the exercises as placed at the end of the lesson. Answer them sincerely. At the end of the lesson, there are many exercises. You must do that. Thank you. Stay safe.